Pankaj Lamba is the man who is the subject of an international manhunt, and this is after he had murdered his wife Harshita Brella. He's also been charged with rape and sexual assault and controlling or coercive behaviour. After murdering Harshita's body was found in the boot of a silver Vauxhall Corsa that was left in Brisbane Road, Ilford, in East London on the 14th of November last year. A post-mortem on Harshita revealed that she died from strangulation. Now, police had previously named Pankaj, who had lived with Harshita in Corby in Northamptonshire, as the main suspect, and they believe that he has fled from the UK after murdering his wife. The Crown Prosecution Service has said that on Wednesday the charges were brought after it reviewed a file of evidence submitted by Northamptonshire Police, and Pankaj Lamba has been charged in his absence, and the charges were laid out at Northampton Magistrates Court. Now, this has come after police in India had arrested Pankaj's parents, his mum Sunil Devi and his father Darshan Singh on the 14th of March. Police in Delhi, whose investigation is separate to the one being carried out in the UK, have registered the case under the offence of a dowry death. A dowry death refers to when a woman is murdered or driven to suicide over a dispute over dowry, property, or money given by a bride to her husband when they get married. Under the Indian Penal Code, dowry deaths involve the fatality of a woman caused by burns or bodily injury within 7 years of her marriage if she was subjected to cruelty or harassment for or in connection with a dowry demand. Police in Delhi have said that the force are trying to find out where Pankaj's sister is. They say that she is currently absconding and raids have been carried out to try and locate her. Sonia Dabas, who is Harshita's sister, has said that this is a good development in the case, and that the parents have been arrested and criminal investigations have been done and are underway. She said the police has so far been sleeping and not active on this case, and now that the Delhi High Court has asked for a status report next week from the Delhi Police, the Federal Home Foreign Ministry have got their act together, and it's because it's pressure from the courts. Harshita's family believe that Pankaj was on a flight to Delhi that arrived on the 12th of November, and we looked at all that information about where he'd parked his car from the CCTV and the movements, and obviously the fact that he had left Harshita in the car and obviously made a run for it, and it suggested that he may be somewhere in Haryana or near Chandigarh in northern India. When the news of the manhunt for Pankaj had actually broke, the village of about 2,000 people apparently closed ranks and stopped outsiders from entering for fear of the disgrace that the case has brought to their community. Now, Pankaj lived in the village until he finished primary school before going to pursue higher education, whilst he lived with his uncle and aunt. Now, Harshita and Pankaj had entered into an arranged marriage with a legal wedding held in August 2023, and they then moved in to the UK in the April of 2024. Now, following the charges that were brought in the UK on Wednesday, Detective Chief Inspector Johnny Campbell from Northamptonshire Police said, "We're committed to securing justice for Harshita and her family and continue to offer support at this difficult time." And I just wanted to bring you an update on this case, as we haven't had any significant updates in a while. Hopefully the nets will start closing in and Pankaj will be caught and justice for Harshita will happen. I will keep you posted as I get more information. Make sure you're following so you don't miss updates, and make sure you are subbed on the YouTube channel After Dark Coffee and Crime. Bye guys.